Pets are active and can easily encounter situations where they may obtain an injury or other trauma. Whether you are at home, on the road, hiking or out for a walk, be prepared with the canine-friendly pet first aid kit. This kit was designed by our veterinarians and dog trainer to ensure you can create memories and keep your body safe for many years. Any small cut or graze that bleeds a bit is easily closed. Hemostatic pen also has a disinfectant properties. Tweezers, medical adhesive tape, tick remover, medical scissors, relief burn gel, TPE bandage. Any minor illness may cause fever, so a thermometer is necessary. Iodophor tablets and anti-itch strips. Folding bowl for easy replenishment of water and food. Normal saline. Ice pack. Examination gloves. Sterile gauze swab. Pet first aid guide. Self-adhesive bandage. Elastic gauze bandage. Emergency blanket. A splint can support a fracture. Having an extra leash on hand will avoid your body running away.